Bitcoin SV cost in every practical sense, equivalent to $36.2500 a coin, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 35.940 to 36.8869, which truly is very huge. The earlier day close, 36.8668 in a sort of significant way. The change for the most part was 0.6168, 1.67% in a by and large enormous manner. Reverse rate, USD to BSV, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month in an extremely enormous manner. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $37.21, truly greatest 39.81, by and large least 34.61 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $37.46, most extreme 40.08, exceptionally least 34.84 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $36.12, really greatest 38.65, certainly least 33.59 in an essentially huge way. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $38.07, lovely most extreme 40.73, least 35.41, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday. April 3, cost $36.52, lovely most extreme 39.08, fundamentally least 33.96, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV gauge on Tuesday. April 4, cost $37.82, by and large most extreme 40.47, least 35.17. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday. April 5, cost $36.54, genuinely greatest 39.10, for the most part least 33.98 in a genuinely enormous manner. Bitcoin SV figure on Thursday. April 6, cost $36.96, kind of greatest 39.55, especially least 34.37, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday. April 7, cost $36.82, lovely most extreme 39.40, especially least 34.24, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Bitcoin SV gauge on Monday. April 10, cost $38.83, especially greatest 41.55, essentially least 36.11, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday. April 11, cost $39.00, by and large greatest 41.73, really least 36.27, which is very critical. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday. April 12, cost $36.78, most certainly greatest 39.35, truly least 34.21 in an extremely significant way. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday. April 13, cost $37.71, especially greatest 40.35, in every practical sense, least 35.07, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday. April 14, cost $38.82, especially most extreme 41.54, genuinely least 36.10, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. In 3 weeks Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday. April 17, cost $41.35, really greatest 44.24, least 38.46, showing how truly reverse rate, USD to BSV. Bitcoin SV gauge on Tuesday. April 18, cost $40.62, greatest 43.46, beautiful least 37.78. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday. April 19, cost $40.84, by and large greatest 43.70, especially least 37.98 in a for the most part huge manner. Bitcoin SV estimate on Thursday. April 20, cost $37.98, sort of most extreme 40.64, sort of least 35.32 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday. April 21, cost $36.11, genuinely greatest 38.64, kind of least 33.58, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In about a month Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday. April 24, cost $35.78, fundamentally most extreme 38.28, beautiful least 33.28, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday. April 25, cost $35.56, fundamentally greatest 38.05, lovely least 33.07, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday. April 26 cost $35.17, for the most part greatest 37.63 in every practical sense, least 32.71 in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to BSV conversion scale most certainly equivalent to 0.0276 coins per $1, or so they truly thought. Today, S reach 0.0271 minus 0.0278, or so they generally thought. The past day, S nearby 0.0271, which basically is very critical, change for now plus 0.0005, plus 1.85%. USD to BSV cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin SV figure on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 0.027 coins, especially most extreme 0.029, sort of least 0.025, or so they explicitly thought. USD to BSV forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 0.027 coins, by and large greatest 0.029, kind of least 0.025, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 0.028 coins, extremely greatest 0.030, especially least 0.026. USD to BSV forecast on Friday. Walk 31 cost 0.026 coins, certainly greatest 0.028, fundamentally least 0.025, or so they in a real sense thought. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday. April 3 cost 0.027 coins, kind of greatest 0.029, truly least 0.026, exhibiting how SD to BSV swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.0276 coins per $1 in a by and large significant manner. USD to BSV forecast on Tuesday. April 4 cost 0.026 coins, truly greatest 0.028, truly least 0.025 in a for the most part significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday. April 5 cost 0.027 coins, kind of greatest 0.029, genuinely least 0.026, or so they explicitly thought. USD to BSV expectation on Thursday. April 6 cost 0.027 coins, genuinely greatest 0.029, certainly least 0.025, which generally is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Friday. April 7 cost 0.027 coins, genuinely greatest 0.029, genuinely least 0.025, which truly is genuinely critical. In about 14 days USD to BSV expectation on Monday. April 10 cost 0.026 coins, especially most extreme 0.028, least 0.024, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday. April 11 cost 0.026 coins, by and large greatest 0.028, truly least 0.024, which by and large shows that SD to BSV conversion scale really equivalent to 0.0276 coins per